Today our topic is United Nations Organization. After Second World War, big countries associated and formed the one organization. That organization is also known as United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization was formed in 1945. The headquarters of the UNO in New York. And till to now, the membership of the countries, 139 countries are there. The South Sudan is the last membership country of UNO. The UNO can be divided into two wings. The first one is the organs and the second one is the agencies. The organs are number 1 General Assembly, number 2 Security Council, number 3 Economical and Social Council, and 4 the Trusteeship Council and the International Court of Justice. At last this is United Nations Secretariat. These are only the 6 organs to maintain of the UNO and the world peace. And today our topic is the main agencies of the UNO. First of all, we should take the main agency is Food and Agriculture. Food and Agriculture. Second one is International Monetary Fund. Third one is International Court of Justice, and World Health Organization is the fourth one, and fifth one is the World Trade Organization, and sixth one International Labour Organization, and United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, that is in shortcut UNICEF. And UNDP, the report is most important to identification of the finance matters in all countries. Mainly there are 8 agencies we can discuss today. First of all, we should take only the FAO. FAO full form is Food and Agriculture Organization. And Food and Agriculture is formed in 1945. The headquarters is in Rome, and the membership countries are 197 countries are officially and unofficially countries are also participated in this agency. And next one, FAO established in 1945. Headquarters is in Rome. The membership countries are 197 countries are there. Second agency is International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund was established in 1945. The headquarters is in Washington. The membership countries are 189 countries are also membership countries in this agency. The establishment of the IMF 1945. The establishment of the membership countries, and the headquarters is Washington. Washington, the headquarters of the international, that means IMF. And here the membership countries are 189 countries are there. Now, UCJ. Actually, it is only the main organ of UNO. The main ICJ means abbreviation International Court of Justice. It was established in 1945. It is also. The main headquarters is Hague. And the membership countries are 193 countries are also membership here. Now, the next agency is WHO, World Health Organization. Already WTO is formation in 1905. WTO is also established in 1995. And the headquarters of the WTO is Geneva. Geneva. And the Geneva is also located in Switzerland. The main members are also participated, 164 members are also participated in this agency. The next one is the ILO, International Labour Organization. It was formed in 1919. It was formed in the 1919. ILO was formed. The main headquarters is Geneva. It is also formed in Geneva. The membership are 187 countries are also membership in ILO. The next agency is UNICEF. The UNICEF means United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It was established in 1946. 1946. The main headquarters is New York. And the membership countries are 191 countries are also membership in this agency. And UNDP. UNDP is the most important agency. UNGC is most important. It was established in 1965. In 1965. The headquarters is also in New York. And the membership countries are 177 countries are also membership in UNDP. The main agencies, the government public examination are also identified. Half mark, 1 mark or 2 marks or essay type questions are also taken from this chapter. Here, from this content. These agencies are also most important agencies. Here, this one. One is the FAO, second is the IMF, and next is the ICJ, WTO, ILO, UNICEF, UNDP, and the last one WHO. The WHO World Health Organization is also formed in 1948. 1948. The main headquarters is in Switzerland. It is also in Switzerland. The membership countries are 194 countries are there. FAO, IMF, ICJ, WHO, WTO, ILO, UNICEF, UNDP. These are the main agencies, most important questions. UNO agencies. We can identify 8 mostly important agencies from the UNO. Their establishment years or formation years, their headquarters, and their participation or their membership countries are also have seen here. This table is also most important for the 10th class students. Thank you.